Hi everyone, let's do NUS Master of Science Integrated Sustainable Design interview today. We'll start on Google and type in Myls interview. Let's start by clicking the interview. Today, I'm going to do a practice interview for the NUS Master of Science Integrated Sustainable Design program. We recommend you practice with the video on so that you can recreate the environment fully and receive additional feedback on your eye contact too. These 5 video questions are designed to simulate real-world scenarios, helping you demonstrate your problem-solving skills, ethical reasoning, and logical thinking, not just memorize the answers. With 5 video prompts, you have the opportunity to deliver clear, structured, and impactful responses using storytelling techniques that make you stand out. After completing the ISD program, I hope to apply what I've learned in a practical and fast-paced environment where I can continue developing my skills. So I'm particularly interested in roles where I can work closely with people and build strong communication skills and contribute to creating meaningful experiences. And in the long term, I want to grow into someone who not only understands the business side, but can also connect with clients and deliver value in a thoughtful way. Those urban design and ISD share a strong focus on understanding people and creating meaningful experiences. So in urban design, the goal is to design spaces that improve how people interact with their environment, while in ISD, the focus is more on designing systems or solutions that enhance how people learn or interact. So in both fields, it's important to consider user needs and think critically about problems and create thoughtful, functional outcomes. So that's why I see them as closely connected in terms of human-centered design and problem solving. Design helps address issues by focusing on understanding people's needs and experiences. Instead of just solving a problem on the surface, design looks at why the problem exists and how people interact with it. So by taking a human-centered approach, design can create solutions that are not only functional, but also initiative and accessible. So for example, whether it's designing a space, a system, or a service, good design improves how people experience and engage with something. So overall, design helps turn complex problems into practical and meaningful solutions that better serve people. So in my portfolio, I included 2 sustainable design projects that focus on improving everyday user experience while reducing environmental impact. So the first project focused on accessibility. I looked at how people interact with the space and identify inefficiency, then proposed a design that improved usability and accessibility while incorporating more sustainable improvements such as bio-friendly elements. And this project emphasized how small design changes can lead to more responsible and efficient use of resources. And the second project focused on gender-friendly. So where I explored how design can encourage more sustainable behavior, and I developed a solution that not only addressed functionality, but also made the experience more initiative and accessible for users. So overall, both projects reflect my interest in human-centered design and how design can create practical and sustainable solutions. So for me, a good sustainable design is not just about reducing environmental impact, but also about creating something that is practical and long-lasting and meaningful for people. And I think it's important that design considers how users interact with it and encourage more responsible behavior and remains functional over time. So sustainability in that sense is about balance between environmental responsibility, usability, and long-term value. So overall, I see sustainable designs as something that improves people's experience while also being mindful of its impact on the environment. So after completing the practice interview, you will submit it and receive a detailed report with scores for each questions. It also provides keyword analysis tailored to your major and specific suggestions to help improve your answers. Now, as you can see, this report tells you exactly what NUS is looking for. This program has its own set of criteria. They're looking for students with strong leadership skills. So I highly recommend you to use Myls AI because it's designed to replicate the actual interview format, structure, and even questions you face. It's a great tool to practice with before you even actually do the real interview. It will definitely help you feel more confident, and you can keep practicing, and it will give you different questions each time so you can keep improving to stand out as a strong applicant. So before going into your actual interview, make sure to practice with Myls AI to perfect your answers. It's definitely worth it, so try it.